Hi, so we are going to do brows now. I'm going to show you how I do this with the Moodstruck Precision Brown Liner. You have a spoolie end, which will help brush out your eyebrows, and then the very fine point here to actually draw in your brow. If you don't have a very predominant brow, this little tip makes it really easy to make it look like you have brow hairs because it's so fine. So what you want to do is, if you need to actually draw out or add some shape to your brow, you want to use your nose and your eye for this. So what I do is I take the brow liner and I line it up on the side of my nose, and that is where I want to start my eyebrow. Then for my arch, I use the crease in my nose and I go straight over my eye. And that is where I want my arch to start, right there. And then for the end, I use the crease again. I go straight through my eye, angle it a little bit more, and that is where I'm gonna have mine stop. So with those 3 points, and I've started to do this a little bit. My camera keeps stopping on me, so I apologize for that. So basically what I'll do is I'll find the point where it was supposed to stop out here, and I just draw a line out that way. And then I go underneath and just fill it in there. Now I kind of like a little point to my eyebrows, so when I'm drawing the top, I go just above my eyebrow and then bring it down. And then I'll connect it when I come in here. So we are just going to color in the bottom. And this is where you want to do short little strokes just to fill it in there. And do soft, continuous lines for the rest of your brow. Just like that. Okay, and if you want to kind of line it up a little bit better, it's easy. This stuff is easy to correct, but it also will stay on all day. I never have any issues with it fading, with it coming down my face. It stays really nicely. So there are my brows using the liner. Now I want to go back in with the spoolie and just kind of soften this up a little bit and brush everything back into place. Just like that. And then I want to get out my gel. Now I absolutely love the brow gel. It's this tiny little tube here. Comes with a little baby mascara looking brush. It'll feel really dry, but I promise you that there is gel and there are also little fibers in it. So if you have very sparse eyebrows and you need to add a little oomph to them, there are fibers in here that will definitely help. Now if you have long eyebrow hairs like I do, it's not going to make them look any bushier. The brows will help, or the fibers will actually help blend in everything and also sets your eyebrow hairs into place. So it's almost like a really nice little hairspray. Now sometimes when I'm running late or I don't really feel like going all out, I'll actually just use the gel because it has an awesome tint to it. And this again comes in light, medium, and dark, just like the liner does. And I'm just going to brush it on and down. And this will help set everything in place and you are good to go. I never used to actually do eyebrows because I thought that mine were just so dark that I didn't need to. But now after finding this out and using these products, I am obsessed. So I hope you guys learned something. That little trick using your nose, you can also use tweezers if you're going to start plucking. I would use that as your guide. So there are the brows, major difference, and next I'm going to do eyes with some of our palettes. So stay tuned and look for that. Hope you guys are having a good day.